So I'm a little over 3 months into using my Aqara doorbell. I actually have two installed because I have sort of two front doors, but at this front door, I am looking at my wired version, and I have two problems with it that I'm going to discuss today. The first is how slow it is. The second is that I can't see a package if it's under the camera. So I can't see this box if it's on my porch but close to the door. It's just not going to work. So here we're doing a similar test to what we did prior to this with my Google Nest doorbell. And what I really want to know is how long does it take for me to get a notification when someone's approaching my door? And I want it to be pretty quick, so maybe I have it too high of a standard. But here we did the test with my daughter delivering this box, and the results weren't very good. Let's see how long it takes. Dostoevsky, Tolstoy. 14 seconds. 14 seconds is way too long if you ask me. I really want it to be like 1 or 2 seconds when someone's coming to my door that it tells me what's going on. So the other problem here is that this camera does not really show what you need to see here. So she delivers a big box. Here's what it looks like sitting on my porch, and you can't see it from the doorbell camera. So that's just not really helpful. So just a couple of additional pieces of information. I have tested this several times. I didn't show you all the different things, but this is pretty typical. So we get package deliveries 2 or 3 times a day, it seems like, and we are always coming and going. And typically the doorbells do not tell us until the person is either already in the house or the person who delivered the package is already back in their vehicle. So I need to know sooner. So the other side of this is I've done several resets. I have really fast internet. I have great internet connections with my doorbells, and the resetting the system, resetting everything doesn't seem to make any difference. So again, I'm looking for a doorbell that works quickly. And we tried this with the Google Nest doorbells, and they were slower even than these Aqara doorbells. But that's where we are. So I hope today's video was helpful. So what I'm really looking for in a doorbell, and I will continue to work on this, is I want something that works with HomeKit. I want something that has local storage. I want something with a better video angle of my porch. And I want something that quickly tells me when someone is coming to my door, not someone who's been to my door. So hope today's video was helpful to you. If you want to subscribe, I do a lot of videos like this about smart home and home. But anyway, thanks for watching.